What's up, y'all? It's Monday morning, and there we go. That's what the box looks like on the thing. Should just pop right up. And now I just gotta trim all the little bits, make sure it's all good, and we got a brand new box. Time to start another one. See, it's got these little like hairs on it that I gotta take off with a razor blade. So I'm not really happy with this one. It does not pass the QA test. As you can see here, the layers split, and check this out. I can already tell if I put a little bit of force on it, it'll just pop the bottom out. There you go. That's what happens when the layers don't sit right. I think I turned the speed up too high, possibly. I don't know. I wasn't around watching it. That's the problem when you can't sit around and watch it. I think I'm going to start recording them, so I'll be able to see what happens. But yeah. All right, let's check on the 3D printer. It's like 12:05-ish. It's looking pretty good. I really do need to get the lighting better in here so y'all can see this like at a better quality. It looks like the layers, so this is the top and this is the main body, and it looks like the layers are doing pretty good. So I'll just let that go for a little while. It's at 16%, so it'll probably be done by like 5 or so.